Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by enabling AssistiveTouch so the floating button appears. This gives you touch alternatives and gestures. Open Settings, go to Accessibility, then Touch, and tap AssistiveTouch. Turn the toggle on and watch the on-screen button appear. This is your new shortcut for Home, Control Center, and custom gestures. Once done, tap Customize top-level menu to add or remove functions so common actions are one tap away. Make sure to assign single and double tap behaviors for quick use. Now tune what the AssistiveTouch button does. Customize the top-level menu so the buttons you need are visible immediately. Tap any icon to swap functions like Notification Center, Siri, or Screenshot. You can add more icons up to a reasonable limit. If you need complex inputs, record a new custom gesture and name it. You'll use it from the menu. Finally, assign single, double, and long press actions to streamline common tasks so interaction becomes faster and consistent. Finish by practicing with the AssistiveTouch controls and moving the floating button to a comfortable spot. Drag it to any screen edge and it will stay there. If the button seems unresponsive, make sure AssistiveTouch is still enabled, then restart your iPhone. Often a reboot clears glitches. If problems persist, reset accessibility settings or update iOS to the latest version, since software fixes can resolve erratic behavior. One troubleshooting tip: toggle AssistiveTouch off and on to quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.